I did this question by drawing a two-way table. So I've got French and German, and then boys and girls. There's two G's here, so I've used GE for German and GI for girls. Now we're told that 1/3 of the girls study German. So I can put 1/3 G here, where G is the number of girls. And that means it must be that 2/3 of them studied French. We also are told that the same number of boys, sorry, 1/3 of the girls study German, but the same number of boys also study German. So this is also 1/3 G here. And then twice as many boys as girls study French, which means that because we've got 2/3 of the girls here, we must have 4/3 of the girls here. And therefore we can just add these up to get the total number of boys and girls. 5/3 here, 3/3 here. In total, there's 8/3 times the number of girls. So which of these could be the total number of boys and girls in my class? Well, it's got to be a multiple of 8. In fact, there's only one multiple of 8 here, and that is D. Now, I'm going to talk through the second approach. Actually, in the official solutions, they don't use a two-way table, and I personally think it's a really good way of representing it. So, do you know what? I'm going to carry on this way rather than writing lots of words down. This is essentially the same approach, but because we're talking about a third of something, actually, um, what the solutions do is they don't write 1/3 G, they just write 3K as the total number of girls. So let's say G is now 3K, K is a multiple of 3, then 1/3 study German, so that's going to be K here and K here, and therefore 2K is here and 4K is here. Essentially we get the same answer, we're just going to get 8K as the final answer. So it's, to be fair, it's a bit more clear here that it's got to be a multiple of 8 because this fraction, might confuse you, or you might have made a mistake adding the fractions. But we get the same conclusion, multiple of 8, so 32 is a possibility, the rest are not.